If your RV stove, furnace, or refrigerator are not working, it might be time to fill the propane. Propane tanks must be filled at designated filling stations. Places like campgrounds, U-Haul storage facilities, and dedicated propane suppliers are usually the most convenient. To locate the closest supplier, a quick Google search for something like RV propane fill near me usually does the trick. When you arrive to the location, it's good to follow a few safety precautions. First, turn off the RV engine, shut down all propane appliances, and make sure there are no active open flames. Most motorhomes have a permanent propane tank fixed to the frame, usually in one of the exterior compartment bays or with the fill valve situated near the undercarriage of the vehicle. The attendant will connect the propane hose and fill the tank safely to the maximum capacity. Once filling is complete, the attendant disconnects the hose, you pay your bill, and you're set to go. And that's how to fill up an RV propane tank. Hopefully this video was helpful. If so, give it a like and consider subscribing for more RV tips and resources. Thanks, and as always, safe travels.